Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're out here in the garage tonight doing a little bit different project. My daughter, we're overseeing her during Christmas break, it made me a cool sign. We're going to light the thing up with LED lights. So to start with, we need to make ourselves a little frame here. We're going to get everything measured out and cut, and then we'll show you the process of putting the lights in and then securing the frame to the new sign and how it lights up. Stay tuned. So here we had cut the strips ready for the frame, and we're just gluing them. We're going to glue them to the acrylic here shortly. They're actually going to be a little bit further away from the acrylic, not tight to the frame, so we got room to work with it and get our lights in the bottom of it. You'll see shortly how the lights fit in. So guys, hope you can see the etched out acrylic there at the sign on it. We'll show you the finished product later all lit up. But basically, my daughter took her Cricut machine. We designed a pattern what we wanted, and then she used her Cricut machine to etch that out. And then we made a frame using this white plastic we had at Menards. And then all I did was get one of them cheap LED strips of lights from off of eBay. We stuck them inside the frame, and it fits pretty tight. Just got the adhesive backing on them. I really had to push them in there tight with the acrylic, and then the acrylic itself, we just glued that to the frame we made, and then we'll show you in a later picture with it all lit up. But turned out really sweet. You can change the colors, multiple colors, comes with a little remote and everything, and it plugs into a cord. Actually, it's just a USB cord on the end, so it'll plug into most basic phone charger jacks. Works pretty awesome. So we'll show you the rest of the details here shortly. Well, I was just about ready to go in for the night, and I got a Christmas present here. I got this nice Ford sign. I thought I'd hang up quick before I went in for the night, but that'll go pretty good right there. Keep wrenching, guys. Have a good night.